So the SleepTight treatment's a really simple treatment. It's 3 20-minute procedures, about 3 weeks apart. It's basically a laser treatment in the back of your throat to tighten and strengthen the tissue in the back of your throat. Now I know that sounds daunting, but most patients find it's actually really tolerable. It does feel hot, I'm not going to lie, it does feel warm, but it's actually only about 42 degrees, so it's not really hot, and patients aren't getting any kind of blistering or downtime, so you can go back to your normal activities straight away afterwards, including things like eating, drinking hot drinks, cold drinks, spicy meals. All that's absolutely fine straight after. A few times we've had patients report they've got a bit of a scratchy or a dry throat like 2 to 3 days afterwards, but that's pretty much the worst of it, so it's quite tolerable and easy to do. After the treatment, you'll feel like your throat is sort of tightened and somehow lifted, and patients are finding they can take deeper breaths in and it feels more open in the back of their throat. And that really starts from that first treatment and continues to improve over time. And then around 3 months, the collagen strengthening phase starts, and we really see that maximised 6 to 7 months after the treatment. So what that's doing is building new collagen in the tissues in the back of your throat, which really strengthen and thicken those tissues to allow them to not vibrate when we take the intake of breath, and to strengthen them also they don't collapse while we're sleeping, and to keep those airways open. Over time, our tissues do sag with age, as we know with our faces. It happens in the back of our throat as well. So we're finding that patients will need a maintenance treatment at about 1 to 1.5 years after their treatment. And that's just a single treatment at $450.